Hi, this is Jama from Mastery Math Lab, and in this video you're going to learn to evaluate cubic root expressions using order of operations. But first let's talk about what is a cubic root. So let's start with an example. For example, cubic root of 8. So the cubic root is actually the inverse or opposite of raising a number to the third power. So we're actually going to work backwards. We're going to find what number raised to the third power gives me 8. In this case, the cubic root of 8 is 2. Let's see why. Well, 2 to the third, that means 3 factors of 2, right? So it's 2 times 2 times 2. We'll do the first 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. I still have the last factor, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now let's see what happens when we take the cubic root of a negative number. So let's try the cubic root of negative 8. So the cubic root of negative 8 is negative 2. Let's see why. Well, when you take negative 2 and raise it to the third power, okay, you have 3 factors of negative 2. Be careful with your signs. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the first 2 factors. Negative 2 times negative 2, well, that is a positive 4. I still have my last factor of negative 2. And positive 4 times a negative 2, well, that is a negative 8. So if you take the cubic root of a negative number, your result will be negative. And if you take a cubic root of a positive number, then the result will be positive. So let's go ahead and attempt the problem we have in front of us. So here they want you to find the value of the cubic root of x minus 2 when x is negative 62. So again, we're going to replace negative 62 wherever there's an x. So I have the cubic root of negative 62 minus 2. Okay, so order of operations, we do parentheses first, or in this case, what's inside the cubic root. So negative 62 minus 2, well, that is negative 64. So again, we have to find a number that when you raise it to the third power, it gives you negative 64. And we know from the previous example, if you take an odd root of a negative number, your result is going to be negative. And in this case, the cube root of negative 64 is negative 4. We can always verify that. So negative 4 raised to the third power. That means 3 factors of negative 4. I'll do the first 2. Negative 4 times negative 4, that's a positive 16. I still have the last factor. 16 times negative 4, that in fact is negative 64. So we've gone ahead and verified. Hopefully this helps. If you have any more questions, please come into the Mastery Math Lab for additional help. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.